Look around you. From the grass growing beneath your feet to the birds flying overhead, the impact of agriscience is everywhere. Agriscience Foundations 1 is an honors-level course developed in partnership with the Florida Farm Bureau. That's how you know we'll be learning real-life skills. Seriously, the communication and leadership skills we learn here are a big deal. And this course even offers a supervised agricultural experience, which lets us learn by actually doing. If you've ever gotten fresh fruit from a farm stand, you know the sweet rewards of agriscience. But did you know that a career in agriscience can be just as sweet? We're talking about farm owners, agriculture engineers, vet techs, ecosystem managers, and so much more. Interested? Pay attention to this next part. Agriscience Foundations 1 is a great chance to earn the Agriculture Associate Certification, which gets us one step closer to starting our careers. Agriscience Foundations 1 is the first course in the Agriculture Communications Program of Study. So this is just the beginning. We get to choose where it takes us next. Get started on the Agriscience Foundations 1 course today.